Welcome to Mission APSC AJ YouTube channel. আমি ডিসকাস কৰি আছিলোঁ ইণ্টাৰভিউ কুৱেশ্যনছ APSCৰ এছিষ্টেণ্ট ইঞ্জিনিয়াৰ আৰু জুনিয়ৰ ইঞ্জিনিয়াৰৰ কাৰণে চ' ইতিমধ্যে মই 27টা পাৰ্টছ আপলোড কৰিছোঁ যদি আপোনালোকে চোৱা নাই দেন প্লিজ মোৰ চেনেলটোৰ প্লেলিষ্ট যাব প্লেলিষ্টতে পাই যাব গোটেইখিনি ডিটেইলছ চ' আজি আমি ডিছকাছ কৰিম কেইটামান ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট questions which are used not only for APSC but also any technical interview in civil engineering branch তেতিয়াহ'লে এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ questions সোধা যায় চ' সেইবাবে আজি আপোনালোকৰ ওচৰত আমি ডিছকাছ কৰিব লৈছোঁ কেইটামান ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট টেকনিকেল কুৱেশ্যনছ বেছিক টেকনিকেল কুৱেশ্যনছেই হয় চ' সেই কুৱেশ্যনছখিনি আপোনালোকে জানি থোৱাটো এজ এ চিভিল ইঞ্জিনিয়াৰ বহুতেই প্ৰয়োজন চ' আপোনালোকে যদি চেনেলটো চাই ভাল পায় দেন প্লিজ লাইক কৰিব ফ্ৰেণ্ডছৰ মাজত শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব চেনেলটো তেতিয়া মই মেক্সিমাম ভিডিঅ'ছ আপলোড দিব ট্ৰাই কৰিম চ' আপোনালোকে ছাপোৰ্ট কৰক মোক তেতিয়া I'll try to provide more numbers of interview questions, more numbers of MCQ questions, okay? So, first question, question number 18, what is the unit weight of the concrete? Concrete or unit weight would yes, okay? The unit weight of the concrete can vary. So, আমি এটা fixed quantity বুলি ক'ব নোৱাৰো unit weight to কেতিয়াবা 2500 হয় কেতিয়াবা 2400 kg per meter cube হয়. So, it is depends what type of aggregate we use, কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ আমি aggregate use কৰিছো and how much the number of voids are there কিমান voids আছে particular cement so সেইখিনিৰ ওপৰত depend কৰে but as per Indian standard codes আমাৰ যেটো IS code হয় IS 456 2000 সেইটোৱে কৈছে কি unit weight of the concrete is 2406.53 kg per meter cube okay 2406.56 kg per meter cube and it is about 25 kilonewton per meter cube okay and unit weight of the RCC is 25 kilonewton per meter cube okay so basically if you see about plain cement concrete or jodi unit weight to ami hoday approximately 24 man lo 24 kilonewton per meter cube okay aru jodi RCC hude we have to add 1 kilonewton per meter cube because of that presence of RCC right so RCC hole we can say that 25 kilonewton per meter cube okay for RCC you can say that 25 kilonewton per meter cube next important questions আমাক সুধিব পাৰে what is the unit weight of the steel so steel or unit weight বহুতে confusion কৰে this is in kg per meter cube kg per meter cube যদি আমি লিখিব যাও 7850 kg per meter cube আৰু এটুক আমি density বুলিও কওঁ okay density is nothing but mass per volume right so mass is kg volume is in meter cube so we can say that density of the steel is 7850 kg per meter cube okay 7850 kg per meter cube বুলিও কোৱা যায় okay so I hope clear hoise basically PCC 24 kilonewton per meter cube RCC 25 kilonewton per meter cube and steel unit weight is 7850 kg per meter cube so coming to the next question I mean next question le jabo try korisu okay so let me change my thickness okay what do you understand by ductility ductility mane ki boja ductility is basically the ability to deform under the tensile stress suppose amar একটা rod আছে this is suppose rod we are putting some tensile force suppose the force is P in this direction and this direction also suppose P তো তেতিয়া কি হ'ব material to deform হ'ব it is try to elongate right so ductility says that ability to deform under tensile stress so kiman to deform hobo paribo under tensile stress under the impact of this force P jodi hi basically deform hobo pare break nohuake then we can say that material has ductility is more aru jodi break hoake I loge loge suppose glass ase glass ok jodi apni tensile force logabo jay it will directly broke right that means ductility of the glass is zero or the ductility of the glass is very very less but jodi apuni say let's suppose aluminum wire edal ase if you put tension or if you put tensile stress what will happen it will elongate more rather than break okay it will jaldi break no that's why we can say that ductility of the aluminum is more as compared to the ductility of the glass okay so how can you describe the projection line in the construction or projection line bolile ki bujha jodi konobai hude We can describe the projection line in the same way as we display as the art on a flat piece of paper. Okay, so we can say that a projection line is basically the same way we display on the art on a flat piece of paper. So আমি আর্টক কি করো এখন পেপারত রিপ্রেজেন্ট কৰো like this is basically a representation. Another project line is the representation of the construction. Okay, so next is what is the various steps which is involved in concreting process. This is very very important. Concreting process or karone main jikhini steps hoy hey steps khini ki as per the sequence prothomote ami batching korim tar pisot mixing korim. So first one is batching, second one is mixing, then transporting and then placement of concrete and compacting. First we can say ki ami prothomote kobo lagibo it is we have to do batching, then we can say mixing, then we can say transportation and placement, and then we can say compacting, right? Next question number 23. What are the reinforcement that are used in the process of pre-stitching? Pre-stitch যেটো concrete হয় বা pre-stitch concrete আমি কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ method use কৰো. So we will try to discuss about the pre-stitch concrete in separate topic. What is the pre-stitch concrete? What is the post-tension concrete? What is the pre-tension concrete? গোটেইখিনিৰ বিষয়ে আমি discuss কৰিম in separate part, but for these questions it is asking কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ reinforcement আমি provide কৰো pre-stitching. So we have to say that spalling reinforcement, equilibrium reinforcement and brushing reinforcement এনেকুৱা types আমি use কৰো. Okay, next question. How can you find the weight of steel bar using reinforcement? Eto to very very easy paye hudi thake d square by 160 koido. D square ki d square basically diameter of the steel bar. Okay, suppose 16 mm hoy gol, then 16 square divided by 162 tar pisot jitu ahi jabo hetue weight per in kg per meter cube. Tat jitu weight ahibo hetu mone rakhibo after applying the formula kg per meter cube. Okay, this is very very easy question. What is a flat slab? Flat slab to jane the slab which is supported on the column is called as flat slab. The flat slab doesn't have any beam. Jiblak slab or কোনো ধৰণৰ beam নাই, ইয়াতে আপোনাৰ এটা column আছে, ইয়াতে এটা column আছে, ইয়াতে এটা column আছে, ইয়াতে এটা column আছে, but there is no beam. ইয়াতে কোনো ধৰণৰ beam নাই, ইয়াতো নাই beam, ইয়াতো নাই, ইয়াতো নাই, then it is called flat slab. There is no beam, but there is only the slab is supported by the column or jokediye ki hoy slab to support hoy ase. Okay, next another very very important question. What is the difference between one way slab and two way slab? One way slab or two way slab or difference to ki one way slab ot ki hoy longer span. Suppose this is a flat, this is a slab, etu amar longer span aru etu ki amar shorter span. Suppose it is S, it is L. So the ratio of L by S jodi greater than 2 hoy, then we can say one way slab. That means L to 2 times dangor hoy as compared to S. Okay, do it ke beshi. Suppose S or value to jodi 2 meter hoy, L or value to 5 meter hoy, teti hole ami kom it is an one way slab. If longer span ratio is less than or equal to 2 times of the shorter span, then we can say the two way slab. Tar opposite to hoy jay. Suppose S is 2 and L is, you can say that 1.5. So what is happened? The ratio is less than 2, right? So in that case we can say it is a two-way slab. Ratio of longer span divided by shorter span less than equal to 2. Next, what is the soundness of the cement? Cement or soundness bolile ki buza? The soundness of the cement is basically a property which ensure that the cement does not go through any appreciable expansion or experience any change in volume once it has been set. So soundness is basically the change of volume of the cement. Okay, so soundness to ki ensure kore so that ami jote cement to paste nokoro kyo hi jate expansion no hoy, hi jate contraction no hoy, that process is basically soundness. Okay, this process is used to avoid any possibility of the mortar or concrete from the getting distorted. Okay, another important questions, that is what is the fatigue in construction? Fatigue mane ki buja? Give some example of structure which may subjected to fatigue. So fatigue is basically gradual damage of a structure that occurs subjected to cyclic loading or repeated or unloading process. Okay, gradual jodi damage suppose we have breeze, amar eta breeze ase, Suppose this one is a bridge. Okay, এইটো আমাৰ suppose এখন bridge আছে, তাৰ ওপৰত gradually কি হৈছে load গৈ আছে, some moving loads continuously গৈ আছে, so এটা সময়ত কি হ'ব, the bridge try to bend like a concave shape, right? So এই যিটো bend হ'ল, এই যিটো deformation হ'ল, that is because of moving load or because of gradually applied loads which are continuously moving here, right? So after long run, বহুত সময়ৰ পিছত কি হ'ব, the breeze have some deflection. Okay, breeze of some deflection. That deflection is nothing but the deflection which is caused by the fatigue loads. Okay, so this is a gradual damage. The gradually damage কৰি গৈ আছে structure to. Okay, so what are the examples of physics? Heavily loaded bridge যিটো এতিয়া মই ক'লো, then hydraulic press, air curves, concrete reservoirs, pylons, turbines, overhead cranes, transmission towers, offshore platform, burners, transmission tower to দেখিছে এনেধৰণে suspension cable বিলাক কি হয় লাহে লাহে bend কৰে because of high load, right? So তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ questions সুধিব পাৰে. So আজি আমি ইমানতে আজিৰ যিটো part number 28 complete কৰিছো. In the next time we'll go for the very very important types, that is slam tester বিষয়ে আৰু ইয়াৰ ইণ্ডিকেশ্যনৰ বিষয়ে ডিছকাছ কৰিম. So আপোনালোকে যদি চেনেলটো চাই উপকৃত হোৱা বুলি ভাবে, দেন প্লিজ ফ্ৰেণ্ডছক শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব, ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব, লাইক কৰিব, কমেণ্ট কৰিবলৈ নাপাহৰিব. থেংক ইউ ফৰ ৱাচিং.